Ready to start your investment journey? Opening a Fidelity Brokerage account online is a quick, straightforward process that puts the markets at your fingertips. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Head to Fidelity's website and click Open an Account. You'll choose the account type. For most individuals starting out, that's a brokerage account. You'll then fill in your personal details: name, address, social security number, employment, and financial profile. The application asks about your investment experience and goals to ensure they provide appropriate services. Once you submit, approval is often instant, and you can fund your account right away via bank transfer. My crucial pro tip: open a joint account from the start if needed. If you want to invest with a spouse or partner, select Joint Account during the application. It's much easier than converting an individual account later and ensures both owners have equal access from day one. In just about 10 minutes, you can have a portal to the entire financial market. What's the first investment you're planning to make once your account is open? Let me know in the comments. For more clear financial guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.